Hello, friends. I'm Lily Gedam from Anand Rathi, and we are back with a weekly podcast episode with Mr. Nilesh Jain, Derivatives and Technical Analyst at Anand Rathi. Thank you, Nilesh, for joining in the podcast series to share your market outlook for the week. So, Nilesh, how were the markets looking on charts after Friday's fall?
Hi Lily. So the Indian equities remain extreme volatile and ended on a negative note after 2 weeks of gain. The Nifty index formed a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern on the weekly scale, which considered as a bearish reversal pattern. The overall structure on the daily chart is indicate that Nifty has broken its multi-month rising trend line, where the immediate support which was placed at 11,450 will now act as an immediate resistance. Adding to that, it has also negated the formation of a higher top and higher bottom formation. So if we see any follow-up selling in the coming week, and if Nifty breaks below the levels of 11,300, which seems likely, then Nifty may test the levels of 11,200 to 11,000 zone, which will act as a major support zone for the Nifty. Now, if we look at the momentum indicators and oscillators on the weekly scale, the relative strength index has reached the overbought territory and also facing stiff resistance of its falling trend line. So the momentum indicators indicates that momentum might slow down from here on. On the other hand, the Bank Nifty index, which underperformed compared to the Nifty index and also formed a big bearish candle which resembles a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern on the weekly scale, which is also considered as a bearish reversal pattern. So the structure for the Nifty and Bank Nifty both look slightly on a weaker side. Caution needs to be advised. Immediate hurdle, immediate resistance for the Bank Nifty now placed at 23,500 followed by 24,000, whereas the immediate support is placed at 22,400 followed by 22,000. The volatility index India weeks, which surged 20% and ended above 22 levels. So the overall rise in the volatility is a bit of concern, and markets are likely to be extremely volatile from here on till the time India weeks doesn't cool down below 20 levels. At the same time, the immediate resistance for the volatility index is placed at 25. Overall, as highlighted and as mentioned, one need to be cautious on index specific front. Stock specific approach should be adopted by the defensive trader looking at the geopolitical tension and upcoming US election, which may result into the huge amount of volatility.
Can you share your few observations about Nifty open interest levels for the coming week?
Well, on the derivative front, the option data indicates that the huge amount of call riding was seen at 11,400 and 11,500 strike on Friday, where maximum open interest is still placed at 12,000 strike, followed by 11,500, which holds the second highest open interest. So, going forward in the coming week, 11,500 will act as a major hurdle. Whereas on the put side, if you look at the highest open interest is placed at 11,000 strike, and we have also seen a fresh addition at 11,100 11,200 put strike. So overall option data indicates that the bears are having upper hand and expect Nifty to oscillate in the broader range of 11,000 to 11,500 in the coming week.
Thank you, Nilesh, for sharing your great insights with us.